Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Henry Schein Medical Account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Henry Schein Medical is the largest global healthcare distributor of medical supplies, services, point-of-care diagnostics, and equipments to physician offices. If you want to log into an existing account for Henry Schein, open up a web browser to begin. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.henryschein.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official webpage of Henry Schein, which looks like this. Go to the top left-hand corner, and if you have an existing account, you can get access by clicking on the login button. But if you don't, start off by creating an online account by clicking on Create an Online Account. Follow the instructions in order to create a new account. Once you have the account, you can quickly log in by clicking on the login button. This will bring up the pop-up menu where you can go ahead and enter your user ID followed by your password to log into your account. Go to the first text box where it says user ID and type in your user ID. In case you don't remember the user ID, click on Forgot link at the top and follow the on-screen prompts. On the next field, go and type in your password. You can also reset your password if you've forgotten it by clicking on the Forgot link at the top and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Once you type in all of your credentials, click the login button in red and you'll be able to get access to your Henry Schein medical account quick and easy. That's how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.